I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Snapchat account has been compromised, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Before starting recovery, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Choose recovery method. Select how you want to receive your password reset link, either via email or SMS. Make sure you have access to the chosen method. Step 3. Reset your password. Check your email or SMS for the reset link. Click on it and create a new, strong password that you haven't used before. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Once logged in, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will help prevent future hacks. Step 5. Review account activity. Check your account for any unauthorized changes or messages. If you see anything suspicious, report it to Snapchat immediately. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your account and secure it for the future. Stay safe out there.